A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are about to begin our welcome ceremony, so please find a seat and make yourself comfortable. Thank you.
Honorable guests and delegates, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to everyone and welcome to UBIU show. I would like to say Sawadika to all of you. So please sit down, relax and enjoy the rest of the morning.
I am Juralat.
I'm Chanyarat.
I have been given the text by our head Mandarin to be your MC for this morning. We thank you all for gracing this occasion. We are delighted to welcome every delegate to our school and extend the warmest welcome to those who have traveled for this time. I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude for your presence at this memorable occasion. It is indeed a pleasure to have you today. We are looking forward to meet you here and share your will with us.
Honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, for the next performance, you are entering with short performance by the Perfect Group Idol. Afterward, a group of standard 6 students will be performing 2 culture dance.
Let us all give them a respectful round of applause. Let's clap our hands once again for the fascinating performance.
Honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let us welcome our dear handmaster give the opening speech. Honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, now let us read our ear and open our heart to the inspiration message.
Thank you very much for that inspiring message.
Now please welcome our dear handmaster, Mr. Jackson, to the stage. I give away to welcoming gift to Mark.
Well, I believe that's about everything, ladies and gentlemen. We have finally come to the end of our occasions. It has been a great day and a wonderful afternoon with all of you. Again, thank you all for your presence. God bless and good day to each and everyone for you. Thank you.
Thank you.